Welcome to this road sign tutorial covering 50 essential signs you need to know. Each sign helps guide traffic, provide important information, or keep everyone safe on the road. We'll explain what each sign means, why it's important, and how to react when you see it. Whether you're studying for your driving test or just want to sharpen your skills, this guide will boost your confidence behind the wheel. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more driving tips. Let's dive in. This sign directs drivers that they must continue straight ahead without turning left or right. It is commonly placed at intersections where turning is not permitted, helping to streamline traffic flow and reduce confusion. This sign indicates that parking is allowed at any time, day or night, without time restrictions. It informs drivers they can leave their vehicles in the designated area without worrying about time limits or fees. This warning sign alerts drivers to an extremely sharp bend to the right ahead, often resembling a U-turn. Because of the tight radius, drivers must slow down significantly before reaching the curve to maintain control and avoid skidding or veering off the road. The checkerboard sign serves as a prominent warning that the road ends abruptly or is blocked ahead. It typically appears at dead ends or hazardous locations, where continuing forward would be dangerous or impossible. This sign informs drivers that due to roadworks or temporary obstructions, traffic must follow a detour beginning to the left. It guides vehicles safely around the affected area, minimizing delays and hazards. Which road sign does this describe? The correct answer is B, hairpin curve, right. Identify this road sign. That would be a checkerboard. What is the meaning of this road sign? This sign indicates a right ahead. This sign indicates that drivers approaching an intersection may proceed in any direction, left, right, or straight ahead. It reassures motorists that no directional restrictions apply at this junction. This mandatory sign requires all vehicles to move strictly in the direction shown by the arrow. It prevents turns or maneuvers that could disrupt traffic or cause collisions, especially on one-way streets or at junctions with specific flow controls. This warning sign advises drivers that at the upcoming junction, they will have to yield right-of-way to other traffic. It encourages reducing speed and being prepared to stop if necessary, promoting safe merging and avoiding collisions. This instruction sign directs drivers to stay to the left side of a traffic island, obstruction, or divider. Following this sign prevents vehicles from entering oncoming lanes or hazardous areas, helping to maintain orderly traffic flow and avoid accidents. This sign warns of a designated pedestrian crossing ahead, where pedestrians have legal priority. Drivers should slow down and be prepared to stop for people crossing the road. This advance warning sign indicates that a roundabout or significant traffic control point lies approximately 100 yards ahead. It gives drivers enough time to reduce speed, select the correct lane, and prepare for merging or yielding. This warning sign alerts drivers that there are staggered side roads joining the main road ahead, first from one side, then the other, but not directly opposite. It requires heightened awareness of vehicles entering or exiting at multiple points. Name this road sign. Correct response, B, keep left. Which sign is shown here? The right answer is all movements permitted. What does this road sign indicate? This one is C 100 yards to a roundabout or the next point. This regulatory sign prohibits vehicles and loads heavier than the specified weight limit from proceeding further. It protects road infrastructure such as bridges and pavements from damage and ensures safety on roads not designed for heavy traffic. This sign alerts drivers to an upcoming pedestrian crossing area where people frequently cross the road. It serves as an advance warning to reduce speed and prepare to stop if necessary, ensuring pedestrians can cross safely. This mandatory sign directs all drivers to make a left turn at the upcoming junction or intersection. Proceeding straight or turning right is prohibited. This control helps manage traffic flow efficiently and prevents confusion or collisions at critical road points. This warning sign indicates the presence of a crossing frequently used by children, typically near schools or playgrounds. Drivers must exercise extra caution, reduce speed, and be ready to stop as children may unpredictably enter the roadway. This regulatory sign prohibits parking on sidewalks or pavements, ensuring these areas remain clear for pedestrians. Parking on the pavement can obstruct foot traffic, damage the surface, and create unsafe conditions for pedestrians. This sign designates a specific parking bay exclusively for commercial vehicles engaged in loading or unloading activities. Private or non-commercial vehicles are not allowed to park here. This warning sign informs drivers that the road ahead terminates with no outlet or through passage. Continuing along this street will require turning back. Drivers should be cautious when entering and aware that no alternative exit routes exist beyond this point. Point out this road sign. It is a school crossing. Which sign is this? This is B Bay reserved for loading and unloading by goods vehicles 1. What road sign is this? The correct choice is a vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons indicated prohibited. This sign warns that speed enforcement cameras are installed in the area. Vehicles exceeding the posted speed limits may be automatically recorded and fined. The presence of speed cameras encourages drivers to maintain safe speeds. This informational sign indicates that food services, such as restaurants, cafes, or snack bars, are available nearby. It is often placed along highways or rest areas to inform travelers of dining options. This sign marks the entrance to a controlled zone where specific traffic regulations apply. These may include parking restrictions, limited vehicle access, environmental controls such as low-emission zones, or other local rules. This sign indicates that the road is not part of the national network designated for certain vehicles, typically large or commercial ones. Such restrictions help protect roads not built for heavy or high-volume traffic. This warning sign alerts drivers to ongoing construction, maintenance, or repairs on the road ahead. It warns of potential lane closures, reduced speeds, workers on or near the road, and other hazards. This sign marks the precise location of a pedestrian crosswalk, indicating that pedestrians have the right of way. Drivers must be prepared to stop for anyone crossing and exercise caution, especially during peak pedestrian traffic times or in busy areas. Can you identify this road sign? That sign is C National Network Prohibited. Name the sign shown. This represents a speed camera. What does this sign warn about? It means see pedestrian crossing. This regulatory sign enforces weight limits on vehicles to prevent road damage and maintain safety. Vehicles carrying loads exceeding the specified tonnage must not continue past this point, and should seek alternate routes designed to handle heavier traffic. Common in French-speaking areas, this sign forbids drivers from making a right turn at a red traffic signal. Even after stopping, turning right on red is not allowed, ensuring compliance with local traffic laws and enhancing pedestrian and cross-traffic safety at intersections. This warning sign indicates an area where rockfalls or landslides may occur, often near cliffs or steep slopes. Drivers should be vigilant for debris on the road, reduce speed, and avoid stopping in vulnerable spots to minimize risk. This sign restricts access to vehicles wider than the specified limit. It helps prevent damage to road infrastructure such as narrow bridges or tunnels, and ensures safety where roadways cannot accommodate wide vehicles safely. This regulatory sign marks the start of an area where parking is not allowed. Drivers must not leave their vehicles parked beyond this point to maintain clear roadways, improve traffic flow, and ensure access for emergency or service vehicles. This sign informs drivers that the road ahead has traffic moving in both directions, despite having 3 lanes in total. Typically, one lane is designated for vehicles traveling in the opposite direction, while the other lanes serve traffic moving forward. This sign warns that traffic from another lane or roadway will be merging from the right, requiring drivers in the current lane to safely merge left. It advises motorists to adjust speed and check blind spots to facilitate a smooth, safe merging process. This warning sign notifies drivers that they are approaching a significant junction where a primary or main road intersects. Drivers should prepare to adjust their speed and position their vehicle correctly to navigate safely. This sign highlights the presence of a pedestrian crosswalk used predominantly by school children, usually near schools or playgrounds. It serves as a reminder to reduce speed, remain vigilant, and be ready to stop at any moment. Which road sign matches this? You're looking at a beginning of no parking. Identify the following sign. The correct answer is B. Vehicles exceeding width, indicated prohibited. What is indicated by this sign? That would be a vehicles and loads exceeding weight in tons, indicated prohibited. This sign alerts drivers that the road ahead carries traffic moving in both directions, rather than being a one-way street. It emphasizes the need to stay on the correct side of the road and be watchful for oncoming vehicles to avoid head-on collisions. This sign prohibits entry to all motorized vehicles beyond this point, except for pedal cycles such as bicycles. It often marks pedestrian-only zones or restricted areas to promote safety and reduce motor traffic in sensitive or congested areas. This regulatory sign indicates that heavy goods vehicles, commonly called lorries or trucks, are not permitted to use this road. Such restrictions might be due to road size, noise control, environmental reasons, or safety concerns. This sign identifies a designated bicycle route or network, guiding cyclists along safe and recommended paths. It helps cyclists navigate urban or rural areas with better infrastructure and indicates routes that prioritize bike safety. This warning sign alerts motorists that light rail vehicles, such as trams or streetcars, operate in the area and may cross or share the road. Drivers should be prepared to obey specific signals and exercise extra caution around tracks. This sign warns drivers that the road ahead will curve first to the left and then reverse direction, requiring continuous steering adjustments. This sign displays the number assigned to a designated state highway or route, helping drivers identify and navigate through regional or statewide road networks. It assists in route planning and confirms that you are traveling along the intended highway. This warning sign indicates the presence of a fire station nearby. Drivers should be alert for emergency vehicles that may suddenly enter or exit the road, and be prepared to yield or stop to allow them safe passage. This sign indicates the distance remaining, in this case 2 units, often in hundreds of feet or yards, to an upcoming railway level crossing. It serves as an advance warning to prepare to slow down and stop if a train is approaching. Which sign is this indicating? The sign means B lorries prohibited. What does this sign mean? It shows a state route marker, 2 digits. What does this sign mean? The correct sign is See fire station ahead. This sign marks a fixed obstacle in the center of the road or roadway, indicating that vehicles may pass safely on either side. It helps drivers navigate around hazards while maintaining a clear and safe path. This sign displays the number of a federal U.S. highway, designated with 3 digits. It helps drivers identify major national routes used for long-distance travel and interstate connectivity, assisting in navigation across states. This warning sign alerts drivers that a designated crossing area for cyclists is coming up. It signals the need to slow down and be prepared to stop, giving priority to bicyclists who may be crossing the roadway. This sign warns that the road ahead descends sharply. Drivers should prepare to control their vehicle's speed by downshifting to a lower gear, reducing brake usage to prevent overheating, and maintaining safe control during the descent. This regulatory sign indicates that drivers must yield and give way to oncoming traffic before proceeding, particularly in narrow or single-lane sections where 2 vehicles cannot pass simultaneously. This advance warning sign informs drivers that a yield, give way sign is approaching. Motorists should begin to slow down, check for other traffic, and be ready to stop if necessary to allow vehicles with right-of-way to pass safely. This sign directs traffic to travel only in the direction indicated. Vehicles must not enter or drive against the flow of traffic on this road, ensuring smooth and safe traffic movement by preventing head-on conflicts. That's a wrap on our guide to 50 crucial road signs. We hope this video has strengthened your knowledge and helped you understand how to respond safely while driving. Whether preparing for your test or refreshing your skills, knowing these signs is vital. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more driving advice. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay alert and drive safely.